Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Astra, Valorant's cosmic controller. Astra excels at manipulating the battlefield with her unique astral form. You'll place stars strategically, then activate them to deploy powerful abilities. Mastering her star placement is key to dominating your opponents and securing rounds for your team. Let's dive into her core mechanics and understand how to best utilize her kit to gain an advantage. Astra's Gravity Well and Nova Pulse are incredibly versatile. You can combine them for powerful area denial, pulling enemies into a stun. Imagine placing a star at a choke point, then activating Gravity Well to pull enemies out, followed by a Nova Pulse to stun them. This combo creates excellent opportunities for your teammates to secure eliminations or push objectives. Timing is everything with these abilities for maximum impact. Nebula is Astra's flexible smoke ability, perfect for blocking vision or creating one-way smokes. You can recall any placed star to instantly generate a nebula. Remember to enter astral form from a secure position, as you are vulnerable while placing stars. Efficiently managing your 5 stars is crucial for maintaining map control and supporting your team's pushes or defenses. Think ahead about where you'll need vision denial. Astra's ultimate, Cosmic Divide, is a game changer. It creates a huge, impenetrable wall that blocks all bullets and significantly dampens sound. This allows your team to push through dangerous areas, plant the spike safely, or cut off enemy rotations. Coordinate with your team to maximize its impact. Astra is all about strategic thinking and controlling the flow of the game with her unique cosmic abilities. Practice makes perfect for mastering her kit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.